guys, that I have the Universal Yum box for August. So I'm super excited. This month is Greece, and I was literally just in Greece. I will say I didn't really like a lot of their food. I like more their pastries, their like yummy stuff, but food, like I wasn't, it wasn't my cup of tea. But let's go ahead and get into this month's box. I'm so excited. As always, it does come with a little pamphlet like this. It comes with these little stickers to rate everything. And then it has a map of Greece. And I will say I went to Oya. I took pictures there. I'll try to pop up a picture right here. And I did go to Athens as well and actually saw the Acropolis. It was absolutely beautiful. I'll try to put a picture here as well. So we're gonna go down and rate these 1 through 10. So let's go ahead and see if it's yummy, if I don't like it, if I like it. First up are the chotis. That's what they're called. So I'm gonna read to you guys what they're called. They're oregano potato chips. It says, taste the joy of Greek oregano. And I really like that they add so much detail to tell you like how it's related to the Greeks. It says that the Greeks believe that oregano was originally created by Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty. And so it's a very popular herb with, about love. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. This is what the bag looks like. They're wavy potato chips. They smell good. Okay, let's go ahead. We use a lot of oregano in Puerto Rico too, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna like these. These are so good. Like, I'm not sharing these with nobody. You can really taste the oregano, and it's nice and salty, and they're really crispy. These are so good. Okay. I need to put those to the side. But these are so, really good. 10 out of 10. Loved, crispy, yummy. I can taste the oregano. That's going to be depending on your cup of tea if you like oregano or no, but really, really good. Next up is the almond baklava. This is Greece's nutty take on a flaky classic. And it says that you need to see the Parthenon, which I did, soak up the sun on the white beach, and try baklava. So baklava is apparently used in wedding, holiday dinners, and birthday parties. It's a syrupy sweet front and center, and it's almond loaded. Let's go ahead and see where this is at. It says traditional Greek pastry almond baklava. It looks like it's going to be something that's very like chewy. I've never tasted baklava, so we shall see. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this baby out. Ooh, I already got syrup on me. Oh, that tastes good. Okay, so it comes in a tray. It's a little bit messy. Ooh, so caution there if you're into these boxes. So it is in a little tray like this. The syrup is absolutely everywhere. Let me see. I think I'm gonna need a fork. Give me a second. Super messy. There's syrup everywhere. I had to get a paper towel. I'm just gonna get a spoon filled. Oh, it's hard too. God, I can't even use a spoon on this. Okay, we're gonna lift you up. Okay, you have to grab it because nothing will cut into it. It's like a pastry. It's pretty hard and like chewy, but it's sweet. There's a lot of like honey taste to it. And you really taste the almond. So really like that one. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 just because of the texture of how hard it is and how syrupy it is. but it does taste really, really, really good. So really like that one as well. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the next one. Number 3 is a dark chocolate orange oat cookie. These are inspired by Greece's golden apples. Apparently, there's a story from Hercules where he was challenged to steal a golden apple from the garden to Eris' famous golden apple of discord. Okay, so there's a lot of apparently Greek mythology about Hesperian's golden apples, and it's supposed to be like a citrusy apple flavor. Let's go ahead and see what this baby's at. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna like this because I do really like citrus stuff, and it has orange and dark chocolate chunks in it. So this is what the cookie looks like. Really good. Definitely taste the orange, the dark chocolate in there. It's not like too crispy, but it's not it's not too soft either. It's really, really good. I really like this one as well. So far, like, Greece's box is, damn, it's so good. Okay, next up, and that one I'm gonna give 9 out of 10. I just feel like it's a little dry, but really, really good. Next up are the pomegranate jelly candy. These are tart, sweet, and delightfully soft. Apparently, according to mythology, the goddess Persephone was forced to stay with her captor Hades for every pomegranate seed that she ate. I absolutely love pomegranates, so I think I'm gonna really like these. Let me see where these are at. So these come in a little baggie like this, and these are called frungeli. Okay, focus. They're called frungeli, and you can see the little pomegranates on there. And it says jelly candy cocos on the side. It has like little Greek letters. So it looks like a little gummy candy. That's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna pop it in. We're gonna pop it in. We're gonna see. Or let me take a bite. These are so good. It's like the right amount of tart, and you can definitely taste the pomegranate taste. These are so good. This box rocks. 10 out of 10. Love the texture. Love the sweet tart pomegranate taste to it. Oh my god, it's so good. Next we have the 10 out of 10 for that one. Next we have the Mastic Rose Toffees. This is made from real tree resin, which I didn't even know. It says that it's produced by mastic trees. Its flavor is similar to pine, but with a hint of something that's hard to put your finger on. And this one I'm kind of like cautious about. So we shall see. And this is also in this little baggie, and it says toffees. Okay, I have that upside down. So it says toffees, and there's some words there in, it says mastic rose flavored candy. On the other side, it has a lot of words in Greek, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and see what this tastes like. I'm a little cautious because pine is not like up there as my cup of tea. Okay, it took me a hot minute to take the paper wrapping off, but that's what it looks like. It looks kind of chewy. It's not like hard, and it's a light, it's a light lavender color. It tastes oh God. 1 out of 10. It tastes like I'm literally eating detergent or something. Do not like, couldn't even swallow. It's so weird because when I think of toffee, I think of like toffee candy here in the US, and yeah, no. Oh God, oh, I need to wash that out. Oh God. It literally felt like I took took detergent, made it into gummy form, and then tried to eat it. Oh God. Okay, let's keep moving. Next up is the Basil Pesto Breadstick Bites. I think I'm gonna like this because I do like pesto and I do like breadsticks. This is what it looks like right here. So mini little breadsticks. And what it says is, it says that you'll open the bag and notice the scent of basil. Oh my God, I'm still like, from that taste. Oh God. It says, it used to be used for making perfumes. And Greek basilicon futon. I'm sorry, I'm probably mispronouncing that. It says it means the royal plant. So apparently basil's like royalty back in the day when they first discovered Greece in 326 BC. So let me stop chit-chatting and let's go ahead and open this baby up and see. Hopefully I like this because that last one, I think that's the first time that I haven't been able to like fully eat something. Okay, so look how tiny they are. You can definitely see the little basil on there. You can definitely smell it, which smells really, really good. These are so good. These are great little snacks. Really crispy. Really like the smell, the taste of the basil. And the pesto, really, really good. Really enjoy these. Really good. 9 out of 10. Great, 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 great. Now we're on to the last one in the box. This is the cream-filled croissant. I love me some croissants. I can't even tell you. That was one of the things that I really loved in Europe, was eating croissants. So this is, breakfast is the most important meal of the day in the US. But in Greece, it's pretty much non-existent. And you see that a lot. Like even in Italy, people usually just like have a cup of coffee and a croissant, or have a cup of coffee and a bagel. You know, like people don't literally sit down and have breakfast. So it says, with a 9 p.m. dinner time, most Greeks don't feel the need for a big meal in the morning. So locals enjoy late morning snacks called colasio. I'm hoping that I'm saying that right. It's a flaky croissant filled with decadent cream. And it says, if it means we can get to have tasty treats like this at 11 in the morning, you can count us in. I'm sorry, I'm still like, still have that aftertaste. So this is what it looks like. It's super huge. Right there, it says serenata. And it says it has millefeuille cream. So we shall see what that tastes like. Hopefully it's very similar to Boston cream, because I love me Boston cream or Bavarian cream. So it's a really nice sized croissant. And I kind of want to be able to take a bite and be able to get the cream. Okay, so we're gonna bite into this. Okay, I literally just got bread, so I'm gonna try again. And that is really good. It kind of reminds me of like that Boston cream, but not as sweet. It's a really nice cream, but it's not way too sweet, so it's really, really delicious. 10 out of 10. Really, really like this one as well. Okay, overall, I have to say out of the 7 snacks that I was sent, I only didn't like one of them, which we all know were the toffees. I'm still choking from this freaking toffee. Like, the taste is so out there that I'm just like... I literally thought that I was eating detergent. Like, I couldn't even swallow it. It was just... But yeah, this month was a win for me. Aside from the toffee, I really, really like all the other snacks in here. Let me know if you guys like these videos, if you want me to do them and maybe on other social medias. But overall, really love this month's box. I will put my friend referral link if you want to sign up down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.